Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Jeffrey Strogan in this video. My snack reviews, Pringles, Texas, BBQ, Brisket. Jeffrey asked me to react to this video, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize, I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Hello everyone, Sabrina. Today I'm gonna be doing a brand new snack review. But before I start the snack review, I do want to say, if you do like stuff into my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell on every time I upload. So yeah, and also if you haven't yet, make sure you give all my videos, and snack reviews, including this snack review, a big thumbs up video over if you haven't yet.
Right.
So yeah. And also, if you also haven't yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bells on every time I upload new content on the channel.
Right.
So yeah. So already, let's get to the snack review now. So some of you guys know I did mention this Pringles in my other Pringles review.
Right.
When I did the review on the Pringles loaded potato.
Right.
Potato skins.
Right.
This is the one I'm talking about from my other review. Pringles review. The Pringles Texas barbecue brisket.
Wow.
So yeah. So I'm gonna do my review on that.
Okay.
Get the cap off.
Okay.
Take the little seal off, as usual.
Right.
This is the test. Smells good.
I bet. And wow.
Well, for you, I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. It's like a Texas barbecue brisket. Wow.
That's what it's called. That's what it's called. The Pringles flavor it's called.
I bet. And wow.
Oh yeah.
I bet they taste good too.
Nobody has a good taste. Nobody has still good taste.
I bet it does. I bet it does. And wow.
Oh yeah.
I bet it does have good taste. And wow.
Yeah, I could probably taste the barbecue in there.
I bet you can.
Definitely good.
I bet it is good. And wow.
So I'm gonna give my rating on this. I'm gonna be giving my rating on the Pringles Texas barbecue brisket flavor. Am I getting ready on this?
Yeah.
For professionally wise, I give it 10. Give it 10 out of 10.
Wow.
Oh, wait. For regularly wise, I give it 10 out of 10. Sorry about that. I got my word mixed up again.
Wow.
For regularly wise, I give it 10 out of 10. And professionally wise,
Wow.
I give it an. I give it an 89.
Wow.
I give it an 89.
Cool.
Yeah, these are good.
I bet.
If you like Pringles.
Right.
If you like something with barbecue and you like Pringles, this is definitely something you want to pick up.
Right.
Even if you're for Texas, anything Texas will made up anything.
Right.
These are definitely the banger to try.
I bet.
So yeah, that's the snack review. And I hope you guys like the snack review. And I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then don't care. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn notifications on every time I upload. And share my videos, ridiculous videos, and reviews, and other stuff to my channel to your friends and if you want your choice. Because I am making it. So yeah.
Right.
And on the main channel here, we're about to 4K subscribers. And on the backup channel, to return 2.0, and the gaming channel, certain gaming, Bulbin or Road 2, Wonder Curves, and so yeah.
Right.
And that's the end of this week's video. And that's the end of this next review. And I'll see you all more banger reviews, more banger content, and more banger reviews. So I'll see you next time. Peace out, everyone.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And let me take care of this notification. I'll be right back, everybody. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or to Jeffrey Strojan's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 3 playlists that are on my channel. And give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I would really definitely appreciate that too. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 10,000 subscribers or more on my channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I would really appreciate it. And the link to Jeffrey Strojan's original video will be down in the description down below. Just to let everybody know about that. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya!